How to find YouTube channel ID. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to find YouTube channel ID. It's actually pretty simple, so make sure to watch this video until the very end. So now, just go to your web browser and type in YouTube channel ID. Now, tap on the first link. Then tap on Advanced Account Settings. Now if you're not logged in here, you need to log in your account to proceed. And here it is. You can see here your channel ID, just zoom it in. If you want to copy it, just tap the word copy. And that's it. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.